A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurhasna Maulida and the last student number is 7, 5, and 6. I will explain about the civil system in Hungary. Hungary is an independent, democratic and constitutional state. According to the revised constitution that came into force on October 23, 1998, Hungary is a parliamentary republic. Hungary has a civil law system and the courts directly interpret the wording of the laws. The source of Hungarian law are acts of parliament, government and ministerial decisions which only take effect in published in the government gazette, and local government decision. The Hungarian legal system is civil law or Romano-Germanic legal system, which is the same as the Netherlands, as the country that established the foundation of Indonesian law. So the legal system of the Republic Hungary accepts the universally recognized rules and regulations of international law and must harmonize to the international laws and statute of the country with the obligation assumed under international law. The codification of the Hungarian Civil Code took place in 1959. But at the time, the socialist legal system still had an influence of the Code, the basic law of Hungary, of the Constitution of the State of Hungary, is the Constitution of Hungary adopted on 18 April 2020. The basic law of Hungary, or the Constitution of the State of Hungary, is the Constitution of Hungary adopted on 18 April 2011 and entered into force on 1 January 2012. Is the first constitution of Hungary to be adopted under a democratic legal framework. It replaced the Hungarian Constitution of 1949, which was adopted at the founding of the Hungarian People's Republic on 20 August 1949 and amendment on 23 October 1989. The next is Civil Code of the Republic of Hungary. Law 4 of 1959 regulates financial and personal relation between citizens, the states, and the government, and economic and civil organizations. The Act protects property and inherent rights and legitimate interests. It also protects all forms of ownership set out in the constitutions. In exercising rights and fulfilling obligations, all parties must act in good faith and honestly. The Act also prohibits abuse of rights. In terms of legal capacity, the second section of the Act provides that all persons in the Republic of Hungary have legal capacity and are entitled to rights and obligations. Legal capacity is the same regardless of gender, race, or religion. Contracts and unilateral statements that limit legal capacity are considered null and void. In addition to these provisions is General Act 4 of 1959 establishes the legal framework for ownership and possession, contract law, rules, conclusion, representation, and other issues. and also refers to inheritance law. And the next is New Civil Code of the Republic of Hungary. Since March 2014, civil law in Hungary has a new civil code. The areas of law that have been changed are family law, corporate law, law regarding civil organizations. The new Hungarian civil law is based in individual autonomy. Some of the new provisions in the civil code include: first, higher minimum capital for limited liability companies, other obligation for executive officers, broader the way defining basic rules, extend warranty rights for customers, and new type of contracts. The next is judiciary. In the Republic of Hungary, there is three-tier judicial system of the Supreme Court of the Republic of Hungary, the Capital Court and regional courts and local courts that administers justice. Its areas of jurisdiction include criminal, civil, and administrative law. Administrative decisions take effect within the framework of ordinary courts, which, according to the regulation in force, must review the validity of administrative acts. Their jurisdiction is related to the application of the law, that is, judges do not make law. The Curia, also known as the Supreme Court of Hungary, is the highest judicial authority in the country. The Curia hears cases challenging local government action in addition to appealing lower court decisions. Its decisions are binding on all Hungarian courts. The Curia has three divisions: criminal, civil, and administrative or labor. Each division has chambers that handle specific types of cases, including appeals and uniformity decisions, which provide binding guidance to lower court to facilitate the uniform application of Hungarian law. The Curia division also have working groups tasked with studying various issues related to judicial practice. The President and Vice President General of the Curia are appointed for 9-year terms by 2/3 majority of Parliament. Constitutional Court. The last is the Constitutional Court of Hungary is not considered part of the judicial system. It hears cases challenging the constitutional of parliamentary acts, and its decisions are not subject to appeal. The court's 15 judges are elected by 2/3 majority of parliament for a 12 years term that can be renewed once. Judges must have outstanding legal knowledge or at least 20 years of legal practice. The court hears cases in panels of 3 or 5 judges. So it's all about civil law system in Hungary. And the last is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching, and sorry for the...
A few minutes later.
Okay, sorry if there are bad words, and thank you for watching. See you.